So whichever time you see this sign that I'm going to be showing you on my chart, I'm going to be explaining, always expect this same thing to happen, and I'm going to be explaining all of it. That is why it is very, very advisable that you stay till the end of the video. Alright, so if you're just coming across my video here on YouTube, my name is Aloysius and you're very much welcome. So I actually opened this channel to document my journey, to share my personal experience concerning the market, and I know it could possibly help someone out there to grow. Okay, please guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can actually grow like other people out there. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for always tuning into my video. Trust me, I really appreciate. Peace. Don't just jump it. Ensure that you watch it accurately and you take the notes down. Greetings and welcome back to my channel today. So I actually have this insight concerning USD CHF. Okay, so I actually have an injury on my hand, guys, but that's not why I'm here, right? So you guys, you're gonna be paying attention to what I'm sharing on this very analysis, because such opportunity, it does not just come every time. So I encourage you to actually like pay attention. Like, you've got to avoid distraction while you are watching this video, because if you can be able to catch this very thing that I'm explaining and you're able to take advantage of such opportunities that have come this time, you're going to be happy. Yes, this is what I know. All right, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Remember, watch till the end, otherwise you're going to miss it. That's the truth. Watch till the end, and as you're watching, ensure that you have your notepad, that you're taking some notes, guys. So we're going to be starting from a monthly time frame, and we can actually, we will gradually move down to the lower time frame where we could be taking our trade. Okay, so we have USD CHF on the chart, and you can actually see this is a historical support right here. Let me quickly spot it. Beautiful. This is a historical support level, and again, this is also our overall high, right? So right now you can actually see that market is between this range. So actually this market is actually heading towards this very resistance that is at this point. All right, so we have found our high and lows of the monthly time frame. So let us scale down to our weekly time frame. So you can actually see that. So we're actually bullish on this trend, even though the market is looking as if it was going to come down. Okay, so we're actually bullish. You can actually see what happened whenever market get to this very resistance that is at this point. It quickly ran to this support and went up again, and it took some guide before market can actually do this. All right, so it get to this level again, is actually coming down. So it get to this level, form double bottom, as you can see. It formed the double bottom and it started going on from there, right? So now where this market is actually heading to, you can really tell, because look at what happened when market get to this level. It comes down, get to this level again, come down to this place. From this place, it was a double bottom, and whenever you see a double bottom, especially on the higher time frame, market will always travel higher before you get to that level again. So look at what happened after that. Market started going on from there, and now just as it happened here, this is the same thing that we're expecting to happen here. We're expecting this market to get to this very level here before we can expect anything at all. So we are bullish on the higher time, on the monthly time frame, and we're also bullish on the weekly time frame. So we are working with the same scenario, guys. Pay attention. So we're going to be scaling down to our daily time frame. All right, beautiful. You can actually see that market is quite bullish on this daily time frame as well. Okay, so even though I'm to spot a trend line from this very level here now to this, to this top side here, can actually see that we've not broken this this very trend line. You can actually see that each time market touches it here, it went up. So now this market is actually trying to see if it could get to this level before it can actually bounce up. So that's not a guarantee anyway. Okay, it's not a guarantee that this market is going to come to this very level before it goes up, because if you can actually look at this level, there's actually a support level here. It was broken and turned to a support, because look at what happened here. Let me quickly spot it, guys. All right, look at it. You can actually see, so market did stuff like this. He actually did something like this. It was actually a resistance. It was acting as a resistance. So eventually market broke it. So when it broke it, came back to test it here and went up. So now it's acting as support level. Okay, so this market didn't continue to make a higher high, but it stopped there. All right, let me quickly remove this. So it stopped there. Now it's actually testing that same level again. All right, it's actually testing this same level, and this is on a daily time frame, guys. All right, so there is a tendency that this market is going to trap a lot of people here thinking that it was going to buy from here, because of course this is an initial support level, okay, and it just came to test that place again. And of course, so many buyers will be coming into this market from this level, because if you check this very support level that I actually spotted, it has been proven to be respected in the past. You can actually see it. It was respected in the past. You can actually see it touches it here, it bounces up. It was acting as a resistance here, came down to this place, bounces off of this support, came here, broke it, tested at a support here, and it was going up. Okay, so it was respected in the past, and bear it in mind that this is on the daily time frame. It was very, very powerful. So this is a powerful zone. This market is likely to buy from this very level that is here and continue going up. Okay, so equally it can actually break it, because this USD CHF, I'm kind of used to it, guys. All right, so sometimes market will just, the way it's doing now, you think that it was going to buy from here, as it did, of course, the previous days. Okay, but what is likely to happen, guys, is that this market is going to break this very support, and if it break this support level, it may come to test this, this trend line. Probably a few days from today, it may come to test this trend line, and if it test it, it can now go up. So when it now break it, then finally now it's going to stop so many buyers. It's going to stop them out before it can actually go up. Okay, so what we're expecting here is actually bullish, because this market is actually standing on this very support that is here. Unless this support is broken or probably touches here before we can actually be expecting more drop. But now this market is still at this support level. Of course, you buy at the support and you sell at the resistance. So we are expecting a buy from this very zone. So let us scale down to my 4-hour time frame, guys. All right, beautiful. So look at what is happening right here. You can actually see what's happening already. Market is actually buying from that very support level. Okay, and remember, guys, there is a gap up here, and this gap it must be filled. Okay, this gap, there is no way it's not going to fill. So bear it in mind. Each time you come to the market and you see such gap, you see this such gap like this, now it must be filled. All right, so now this market is actually this one is remaining 1 hour 39 minutes and 52 seconds for it to close. Okay, so this market now, I'm not going to be buying this market from this very level now that it is, unless it gave me a high, or it just like, or this market actually came to this very level, because this is the place that I will be so confident if I'm buying this market, guys. I'll be so very much confident if I'm buying it from this very level, because look at what happened. He has been playing around here, and normally this is a double bottom. It's supposed not to come back to this very level, but it was violated, guys. And each time the market violates this double bottom, it always go below it. All right, so now I'm not expecting this market to buy from this place, even though it's going up now. But if this market can manage to break this very support level, come to this place by stopping people out, then I can now be expecting a buy. Right, I can now be expecting a buy from this level. And now look at what happened. Look at what the market is doing. Look at what the market is doing. Market was just here, but what I'm expecting is just for it to come down to this level. Okay, then it can now be going up. And if you are buying from this very level now, this market is likely not to come down to this place again. It's most likely not to come down again. So, but this place that it is now is going to receive a lot of people. It's going to seem as if it was going to continue buying from here. But trust me, guys, I'm used to this very pair. Okay, I'm used to it. So what I'm expecting is this market to get to this very level. Now we can actually be going up. All right. So even though you scale down to your 1 hour time frame, it's still the same thing, guys. You can actually see it. Even though market is bullish at this point, but I'm not going to be buying this market from here. I'm expecting this market to come down to this very level. So when you come down to this very level, then I can now be taking my buy from here, long position. And when you manage to buy from this place, good trade is always the hardest trade. All right. So a lot of people will end up, people will be stopped out before this market can actually do what they want to do. So remaining like how many people? Let me check for it to come to my level from this place that it is now to this very level. That's a lot of people, 79 people. But this is what I'm expecting, guys. So if you look closely now, this market is actually going up. If you watch very close, you can actually see that. Okay, let me go to my 4 hour time frame, so you're going to understand it. All right, this market is actually going up from here, which is quite understandable. But look at this. There's actually a resistance level here. There's actually a resistance here. So this resistance now, except market break it and close above before I can actually be buying this market. But if not, if this market get to this level, it's likely to drop back to this place. It may not necessarily even get to this level again, and it will come down. Okay, so there is a resistance here that this market is likely to go and touch. Then after that, either you break it and close above and continue going up, or it came down to stop other people out. Okay, so when you are buying from this level, guys, if you broke it, then you will know that we are going to be selling this market for some time. Okay, otherwise, if this market get to this level, if you started buying, guys, it's not going to come back again, because first this gap will be filled, and when this gap is filled, then a new high will be created. Of course, this overall is we are in a bullish trend, and we're expecting the market to continue going up. So this gap is eventually going to close, and so when this market get to this level and started buying again and come and formed a high that is higher than this previous high, then market is bullish. Okay, and market is likely not to come down to this very level again. That is why it is very, very important that you are patient enough to catch this trade when you finally see it here. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.